Okay, so this is part two. Just to let you know the update on the cracks on the door and everywhere else. It's pretty tight, but still leaking out. But it did not leak out where I welded it at the vent. That's what the gauge reads. About 215. So I'm sure down lower it's about 225. I got some ribs on me. As you can see, the box is solid. Nothing leaking at all. It's all coming out of this one door right here. Got nice clean smoke going. That's where I welded it at. For the most part, I like the grill. It seems to hold heat in pretty good. But when you get one of these, be prepared to, if you want to do it right, be prepared to do a bunch of welding, a bunch of silicone. You're going to have to do your own modifications. Why they just don't take the extra time to do all that, I'm sure somebody will pay extra $100. I know I would have. But got this on Lowe's for sale for $269, which I thought was a pretty fair price. Well, appreciate your time, y'all.